Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our fog lamp assembly. To do this, you do not have to remove the bumper cover, just make your way underneath the front of the vehicle. We're going to be looking right up inside this area, and to gain a little bit more access, I'm going to move up here. You're going to find two push clips. Let's go ahead and remove those, and then we should be able to pull this aside far enough to be able to access everything a little easier. I'll use my trim tool for this, carefully get in between this area and gently separate it. To get these out the rest of the way, I'll carefully grab onto them with some cutters and gently pull it out. Now we can slide this aside. With that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of the entire fog lamp assembly from the back side. You can see that there's wiring that leads to your bulb. We're going to be reusing the bulb, so I'm going to carefully grab onto it and I'll turn it counterclockwise. Pull it right out of there and give it a close inspection. You want to make sure it's still in good working order. Also, it's important not to go ahead and touch on the bulb with greasy or oily fingers. It's going to shorten the life of the bulb. I'll set that aside. With the bulb out of the way, we're going to start dismounting the assembly from the bumper area. You're going to find several 7mm headed bolts. There's 3 of them to be exact. One in the lower corner, up top, and then forming a triangle, there's another one down off to the side. I'll start by removing the harder one all the way up top. Get that side one. Okay, last one. Now you can carefully grab onto that assembly and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our fog lamp assembly. Let's carefully take this and put it in place. Once you have all of your mounting bolt holes lined up, start each of them in by hand before snugging any of them. Let's continue with our 7mm and snug them up. Now it's time for the fog lamp bulb. Go ahead and take that, line it up so it fits into the assembly. Sometimes you just gotta twist it a couple times till it lines up perfectly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in, give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. Now if you have to make an alignment adjustment, you're gonna do that with this area right here. Now we can slide our protective panel back in place. We're going to line the push clip up with the mounting holes. Go ahead and press it right up in there. Sometimes holding the top area down will help. All right, we got that one in. Let's go ahead and push this one in as well. Okay, it's fully installed. Go ahead and test the lamp assembly. And of course, if you're doing them as a pair, do the same exact thing on the other side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching.